What is going on YouTube? Jacob here, and we are back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the biggest residential job that we have done to date in the past 4 years. Now this job came from a Google ad that we are currently running. This job is a little over $3,000. If you want to learn how we land big jobs just like this, go check out the first link in the comment section and the description. That'll be a link to Local Domination 2, where I'm going to show you everything that you need to know on how to land big jobs just like this, both residential and commercial. Now that being said, let's get into today's topic. With first off, whenever we first got in contact with this guy about this job, said, hey, if you don't mind, can you come meet at my property this afternoon? I have a bunch of concrete that needs to be cleaned, and as well as the house. It came out to about 20,000 square feet of concrete, which for a residential job, those of you that don't know or that may be new to the industry, that is a bunch of concrete for a residential job. Whenever it comes to actually cleaning this much concrete, we do use a heavy chemical mix to pre-treat everything. That way we are able to move a lot faster. They did have some drainage issues, as you can see here, and we weren't able to actually make everything drain. They do have a drain right here in the slab that is clogged, so all it was doing was flooding this hole right here where all this concrete is messed up. We rinsed it the best we could. We explained to the homeowner that we were not going to be able to rinse everything completely away because everything is draining to this side, that side over there, and to that drain right there. And also in this corner right here. We weren't able to wash away all the mud and stuff and dirt and grime. We were able to surface clean everything and get everything looking new again as far as the concrete goes, and consolidated for them. We did this top pad right here that is under this canopy area of his shop. There's a little office building right here. We did all the concrete, and it wraps around and goes around the back side of the shop. We did all the front concrete right here. All of this concrete back here by the fence, this sod piece over here, the entire length of the driveway, this piece that wraps around right here to the back side and to this front covered area, all the way down where you see the truck down there, and under the carport and around their pool area and their back patio. We were able to knock this job out in about 5 or 6 hours or so. Whenever we did get out here, we did end up upselling the roof. So a little over a $3,000 job, great residential pickup. Normally we would rather be doing commercial, but jobs like this make the residential side worth it. Residential pays our bills, typically pays all of our chemical, all of our personal bills, because we pay ourselves out of all of our residential work. So kind of the backbone of the company, keep the company up and running. And then all the commercial stuff, we try to reinvest it the best we can into the business where we can and where we need to. We're about to have to upgrade to an 8 gallon a minute on the truck and an AR pump on the trailer. So that'll be coming in the future. Stay tuned for that. If you like the videos that I've been putting out, please hit that thumbs up. And the question of the day is, how big is the biggest residential job you've ever done as far as concrete goes? Answer that question in the comments below. This job is right around 20,000 square feet of concrete, so be sure to go answer that question for us. If you want to learn how to land big jobs like this one, go check out that first link in the comment section in the description. And until next time, my name is Jacob, and as always, y'all stay happy, humble, and money hungry.